Friends, welcome to youtube.com/Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor of Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see about osteoporosis, and in that part 1 that describes introduction, definition, causes and pathology. Osteoporosis is a disease of bone. We see here introductory part of the osteoporosis. It is a systemic skeletal disease characterized by osteoporosis is a lesion of mature bones. Remember this important things. It is not a disease of growing bones. It is a disease of mature bones. And it is a metabolic disorder of the bones. Again, second thing. Up till now we have seen the other thing. This is a metabolic disorder. The bone become porous. There are holes, pores. That's why osteoporosis name is given. When bone become porous, there is loss of bone density. Density reduce. And due to this reduction in bone density of the compact bone, bone become porous. There is reduction in strength of the bone. Due to reduction in the strength of the bone become fragile and there is an increased risk of the fracture. I mean, slight striking or falling may cause a fracture. This disease is not very commonly occurring. It affects the dog and horses very rarely. In some countries it is occurring, in some countries it is not occurring or occurring very rarely. Animals are not recognized as getting osteoporosis because the animals are routinely scanned for bone density. Otherwise, it is observed that the osteoporosis occur in animals, but because they are not routinely scanned for the bone density just as the human being, this disease is not got much recognition. Here the causes are improper nutrition or improper diet. Diet low in calcium, low in vitamin, high in phosphorus, and deficiency of vitamin C in the diet. Malnutrition. Inappropriate ration formulating or mixture. Sometimes for the animal, the ration is available. That ration may not be properly formulated or proper mixture of the elements. It is also observed that ration inadequate in calories also makes the animal susceptible to osteoporosis. When there is renal disease, there is decrease in phosphorus excretion. That means retention of the phosphorus in the body. It combines with calcium and forms the insoluble calcium phosphate chemical. That also causes hypocalcemia and osteoporosis. When liver disease, there is decrease in bile secretion. So digestion of fat is not proper. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, so it is not absorbed and excreted in the feces. So when liver disease, renal disease, osteoporosis is observed. Some of the gastrointestinal diseases in which there is decreased absorption of calcium and vitamin D also causes osteoporosis. Endocrine abnormality, hyperparathyroidism, increased parathyroid hormone that causes hypercalcemia. That calcium is resorbed from bone and osteoporosis. Lack of exercise in confinement also causes poor development of the bone and muscles. Also makes the animal susceptible to osteoporosis. Immobilization, again it is one form of lack of exercise, is also a contributing factor. If the animal is very debility, then also animal shows osteoporosis. So these are the reasons. Ultimate main cause is it is a metabolic disorder of the bone. Coming to the pathology, how it develops, you know that bone remodeling occurs throughout the life. That means bone formation is a continuous process and bone resorption also a continuous process. But both the processes are balanced, so bone remains normal. The activity of osteoclast is bone resorption, is balanced with activity of the osteoblast. The activity of osteoblast is a bone formation. This bone resorption and bone formation, they are balanced with each other. Imbalance of bone remodeling, that means imbalance between bone formation and bone resorption. That means if the resorption is more, animal shows osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a metabolic disorder of bone where there is decreased bone mass. Remember, important thing is decreased bone mass, metabolic disorder of a bone. Here, there is microarchitecture deterioration of the bone tissue. The micro elements of the bone are affected. In early stages, bone loss will be minimal. At that stage, the disease is in a mild form. It is called as osteopenia. Osteopenia, Osteopenia. But at a later stage, there is loss of bone density and real osteoporosis occur. Here, the pathology portion, removal of more mineral content of the bones leads to softening of the bone. So here, osteomalacia also occurs. This loss of bone mass is occurs over many years. It is not for a short duration. So it is long time disease. It is observed that osteoporosis occur often in prolific sows, the sows which are highly prolific, and that sows mobilize mineral for high milk production, and such soils are affecting with the osteoporosis. The gills are nothing but young female pig, is also suffering in their first lactation. In the first lactation, it is susceptible because one reason is skeletal development is incomplete. Second reason is there is no mineral reserve prior to pregnancy. And osteoporosis often results immediately after weaning or during mating. Due to these reasons, the gills in their first lactation are more susceptible. Another reason is high milk production also. Friends requested to share this information to other veterinarians and veterinary students. To grow this channel, requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time I will come with osteoporosis part 2.